This time I'm going to go over number 22. So 22 is asking, use the remainder theorem to determine if the given number c is a zero of a polynomial. If it's a zero, the remainder will come out to be zero. So let us see. We can do it two different ways. We can do the synthetic division, or we can just use direct substitution. Because if we are using the remainder theorem, we can just, let's do that. That's easier, I think. F of -2. The first c value they want us to look at is c equals -2. If it is a factor, if it is a zero of a polynomial, if I plug this in, I will get a 0 for the function value. So let me set it up. 4 times -2 to the 4th power plus 9 times. Instead of me writing this down, guys, well, that's like saving some time right here. How about I actually type this into my scientific calculator? Okay, that will be easier. 4 times -2 to the 4th power plus 9 times -2 to the 3rd power minus 18 times -2 squared plus 7 times -2 and lastly plus 94. If it comes out to be 0, then it's a 0. Yes, look at that look at that function value. It came out to be 0. What does that tell us? That tells us that -2 is a 0 of a polynomial. Next one, they want us to test c equals 4. Where did my browser go? All right, let me go ahead and this time plug in 4. Now, since I already have this all typed up, I may be able to just copy this and change the number to 4. 4, 4, 4, and 4. What is the function value? 1434, this is not a 0. It has to come out to be 0. So if it's not a 0, we're going to say, hey, c equals 4 is not a 0 of a polynomial. And that is it for number 22. And you know what? It makes me feel better if I actually see a check mark next to the question that I just did. So I will go back and see if I got a check mark. The one that I just did was number 22, right? And look at that, we got a check mark next to number 22. So that is how we do that.